Hi, Wismaries! Guys, in today's session, we are going to go with solo role play, means monologue. I simply want any one of you to be there and perform something. Feel something, use your top to bottom, do anything, use language, Hindi and English both, and perform your best. As simple as. So, I want you to come and perform. Who would like to come first, guys? Black cat. बहुत ही बढ़िया भाई. Okay,
Hey mom, I will also go to market with you. No, 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 I'll not ask for any toy. Please, mom, please. Okay. Mom, I want that Billy Wali. Gulnak, mom, I want that. Ice cream? What? Ice cream? I want ice cream. What did you say? Why didn't you say it before? I don't want this. Mom and dad, now I'm completely ready. See my uniform? Right? Now I'll go to school and I'll score very good marks. Right? You just wait and watch. Mom and dad, Papa, see, I have scored second highest marks in exam. I became second person in whole school that has the highest score. Ah, ah, sorry, Papa, sorry, Papa. Papa, I worked so much hard, Papa. But, like, what happened if I didn't come first, Papa? So sorry, Papa. So sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa, sorry. Finally, finally, I have cleared the foreign entrance examination now. Finally, I have cleared the foreign entrance examination. Now I can confess my dreams before my father. Now I am eligible. Now I am eligible to confess my dreams that I want to become engineer. Let me confess my feelings today only. What happened? What is happening in my house? Why my parents are fighting? I have never noticed. I have never noticed that my father is getting old and he has a very huge burden of responsibility of my family. Now, now I can't be selfish. Now I have to sacrifice my dream. Now I'll go and take stance for my family only. Now I'll go and tell my father that I'll support them financially. Father, see, father, I have cleared this exam and now I am eligible for highly paid jobs. I am eligible to work and I'll support you financially, father. I'll support you financially. You will be very happy and you will be very proud on me. Thank you, father. Thank you. Finally, finally, I have achieved every single thing that I want, that I ever wanted in my life. I have expensive car. I have a huge bungalow, a wealthy and healthy family. But, but why, God? Why you have stolen? Why you have snatched my parents from me, God? I have achieved every single thing to show them, God. Why, God? Why? I have never confessed my feelings in front of them, God. I have never confessed. And now my heart is completely empty, God. Hi, bhai. How are you? Like, you are as amazing as always, I know. How about my family? My family is good. But you knew about my father. He always acts very much rude. Whenever I talk to him, he gets very angry. I don't know why he is being like this only. But you have a very powerful suggestion. Okay? Tell me. Okay. Okay. Will it work? Definitely. Okay. Okay. I'll literally do it. तो साहबजादे अब आ रहे हैं घर में. Is this a time to come at home? What? I'm not getting angry. I'm just telling you, these are the etiquettes that your mother and I taught you. Just tell me. What? Now? अब तू मतलब जबान लड़ाएगा मुझसे? मैं क्यों खड़े हूं? मैं क्यों खड़े हूं? आजकल की जनरेशन इतनी जिद्दी हो गई है. What happened, beta? What happened? Do you need money? What happened, beta? Just tell me, beta. What happened, beta? Are you going through any pain or something? What happened, beta? Why you hug me? Love you, beta. Love you so much, beta. Love you too, beta. Love you too, beta. Thank you so much for everything. I never did this thing for my father, but you did. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you so much. This is the act that I played to show that father, or definitely men, don't want validation, don't want anyone's money, don't want anyone's success, or they never feel that somebody will come in their life and give them extreme pleasure. But the feelings that you give every single day, in every single moment, that leads you to the place, that leads you to the place where you will be expressive. And I have a very humble request that when you go back your home, ask your father that how's your day. Ask your brother that how's it going in his life. Ask how many people he met today. Ask how many times he have faced problems. I know that your all things will not provide him support, will not solve his problems, but it will definitely provide him support, or it will definitely share the feeling of compassion by which he really will feel very good. Thank you so much. At the end, I just want to say one thing, that man are simple. Thank you.
2010 5:10 पे मैं पैदा हुआ और 5:11 पे पापा ने कहा मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा. किसी ने मुझसे पूछा ही नहीं साला मैं क्या बनना चाहता हूं, और फिर मैं लग गया बाकियों की तरह इंजीनियर बनने की दौड़ में. पर आज जैसे मर्जी धक्के खा के स्कूल से पास, और फिर इंजीनियर बनने की रेस में दौड़ने लगा मैं. पर आज मैं उस रेस से बाहर हो गया. मैं 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 फेल हो गया. हाँ हाँ हूँ मैं फेलियर. नहीं बन पाया मैं इंजीनियर. नहीं बन पाया मैं इंजीनियर. अब नहीं जीना मेरे को. नहीं जीना मेरे को. I quit. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I want to grow up once again. Good news, guys. Nobody got to know. Neither police nor anybody else. Everybody thinks it's an suicide. In post-mortem too, it has been written. Death reason, pressure at windpipe, impacted, no breathing and death. इन सालों को लगता है ये सुसाइड है. इधर से प्रेशर, सुसाइड. बट इतने सालों से यहाँ का प्रेशर जो मैं झेल रहा हूँ वो तो किसी रिपोर्ट में नहीं लिखा। ये इंजीनियर्स बहुत चालाक है, इन्होंने कोई ऐसी मशीन नहीं बनाई जो यहाँ का प्रेशर जो दिखा सके, वरना आज लोगों को पता होता इट वॉजंट अ सुसाइड, इट वॉज अ मर्डर। थैंक यू सो मच। मम्मी, मम्मी, mummy, mama, please call the police. I murdered someone. Please, please, mama, save me. Let's start from beginning. Mummy, mummy, I went outside and saw everybody's crying. What is it? I'm not getting anything. But my mom said, this is not your age to think about it. Go and do your work. But everybody was saying one word, and it is hitting my mind very badly. And that was rape. But nobody was there to help me and guide me what is the meaning of it. And after just that, I grew up and I forget everything. But after that, one of my uncle came to my home and gave me a lots of chocolate. I was so happy because I love eating chocolates. And I say, I will distribute in everyone. But he started touching me. Here, I said, no, please, leave me. I talked to my mom. He said, shh, 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 don't say anyone. Otherwise, I would kill you. I was alone. Nobody was there. And I thought I should keep quiet. And after that, I started listening people. They were talking about rape. In bus, 50 people came together and raped a girl. Students were protesting. People raped. And these all things are going on in my life. After that, I decided to go to college and learn the new things. There was a professor who was very famous. He taught us everything about family, life, society. I went to him and asked one question because I need to learn something. He did same. And at that moment, I got to know the exact meaning of rape. And I took knife and put himself. This is not a story of individual girl. This is a story everybody is facing in a life. So if you also facing this type of things, please guide. Don't ignore. Thank you so much.
Rest of the members going to rock. The members who are still left, can you raise hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 performances left, and I know this thing that's going to be more wonderful, more amazing, and wow वाली होने वाली है. The reason being, the performance just took place right there. कई बार ना बोलने का मन नहीं करता है. I really don't want to talk about this particular topic, but निधि showed क्योंकि बहुत स्पीचलेस हो जाते हैं इंसान ऐसे टॉपिक्स में ना. These are quite emotional, sensitive topics, and I even have not been able to speak over this particular topic. But it was really performed phenomenal. That's love.